In the competitive market of building industry, high performances, ease of use and reliability of the machines are fundamental features. Bunker has 10 years experience in research and development, so that our company standards are placed at an advanced technological level. Thanks to this, our solutions are always innovative and bring efficiency, usefulness and low cost. This is why we invite you to discover the amazing advantages of the B100, a concrete pump with rotor-stator system, much easier and versatile than a piston pump. It was created to meet the different needs of customers. One solution for all the needs. Grain size, pressure and output are the key features which determine the market success of a concrete pump. The B100 was created out of these three elements, improved through the years. The B100 is the only pump of its type, which allows to pump mortars and concrete with a grain size up to 25 mm with a maximum output of 250 liters per minute, ranging from 0 to the maximum value. Our pump can spray regularly at a height of about 30 meters and a distance of over 60 meters. The B100 includes a hydraulic power pack and an on-wheels hopper with a screw pump. Power pack is equipped with a diesel Lombardini 22.5 kW silenced engine. It is an ecological engine conform to European directives, water-cooled with an extremely low fuel consumption. The engine speed can easily be controlled by a lever. The control panel is mounted on the side and can be started with a key. Control LEDs allow an easy monitoring on the different functions. You can check water temperature, fuel and oil pressure level. The hydraulic power pack can be equipped with a 400 liters per minute compressor to spray plasters and spritz beton. The B100 is built with an electrical vibrating screen powered by the 12 volt hydraulic power pack battery. The screen prevents the possible pump cloggings caused by oversized aggregates. A security lever prevents the opening of the vibrating screen while the screed feeder is running. Its opening immediately stops the rotation of the feeder. The pumping pressure can be controlled by a pressure gauge mounted on the pump. A remote control stops and starts again the pump. The innovative separation between the power pack and the pump and its small size and components with a light weight ensures its usefulness and many possible uses. Each work inside is a new challenge that can be managed through the B100. Pumping and spraying performances and the use of small quantities of binder makes this machine a definitely advanced solution, allowing you to work with a large variety of mortars, liquids and products. Its versatility allows to use it in the most unexpected and surprising sectors. The power pack can operate a large range of hydraulic tools, hydraulic hammers, drills, chainsaws, hydraulic pincers, trimmers, drilling machines, wastewater pumps. You can check the possibilities of our pump with these applications. Concrete pumping. Floor screed. Cellular cement. self-leveling floor screeds Reoleka. Polystyrene pumping. Cement injections. Joint filling. Sprayed concrete. Traditional plasters. For shotcrete, it is possible to add a tank or a screw pump for the set accelerator dosing. The latter is used to optimize dosing. At the end of each working day, the screw pump and combine hoses can be easily washed thanks to an high pressure cleaner with spray gun that you will connect to the B100 power pack. And to make its use still easier, Bunker introduces the fast 600 auto-loading ramps, one of the most useful accessories of this kind that facilitates loading and unloading the pump and power pack in an innovative way. As for accessories, Bunker offers a very complete toolbox with essential spare parts and a new tool to change stator safely and easily. Bunker research experience has allowed us to achieve high quality standards, a certified reliability and resistance, reducing cost and maintenance to the minimum. Bunker enjoys an international reputation and recognition by exporting in many countries. Our brand name stands for quality, reliability, and technical assistance.